Hello po, good afternoon sa ating mga audience dyan. Yes, andito na naman po tayo sa ating live session regarding sa, ngayon naman po ang i-feature po naman natin ay ang study in South Korea. So, waiting lang po tayo ng kaunting minuto para sa ating guest speaker. Wait lang po ha. So, yan po. So, para dun sa ating mga audience po diyan na gustong mag-join ng live session, join lang po kayo nasa Facebook yung ating Zoom link. Pwede po ninyong i-click lang yon and then you can join po us anytime po dito sa ating live sessions. And so far dun sa ating guest speaker po, siya po ang managing director ng kanilang company represented dito sa Philippines. So he will be the one to discuss more further about how to study in South Korea, ano po yung mga benefits, ano po yung mga dapat na requirements, ano po yung benefits na mai-enjoy nyo po pag kayo po ay nag-aral sa South Korea. And then at the same time, ano po yung opportunity na pwede nyo pong makuha at ma-enjoy later on as you progress your stay po in South Korea. No? Yan, nandyan na po ang ating guest speaker of the day, si Sir Angelo. Ayan. Hi, Sir Angelo. Good afternoon.
Ma'am, good afternoon. Wait lang ha. Set up ko lang to.
Sige lang po, no problem. Ayan. So, okay po. Wait. Ayan.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay lang po. Magandang hapon sa iyo, Sir Angelo. Kumusta naman
Magandang
po?
hapon.
Busy ka
All
rin?
good. Ayan. Kumusta ka, ma'am?
Okay lang naman, busy din po.
Ayan,
Ayan.
napuputol ng konti.
Okay lang
Ayan,
po.
game.
Ayan, game. Ayan. So, sabi ko nga sa ating mga audience, no, ang feature po natin na partner ngayon ay kayo po. Ang i-discuss po ninyo ngayon ay yung study program sa South Korea. So, yun po. Para sa ating mga live audience yan, makinig po kayong maigi. Pick all those informations that you need para po guided po kayo pagka po natapos po yung discussion ni Sir Angelo. You can always send your resume to us, Link Edu Migration Consultancy Inc. And kami po yung tuloy-tuloy na mag-aasikaso at mag-guide po sa inyo sa entire process. Katuwang po namin si Sir Angelo para sa inyong study program sa South Korea. Ready ka na, sir?
Yes. Open ko lang yung file.
Okay lang po yan. So,
Saan mo yun?
oo. Para dun kasi sa mga iba nating mga prospect na hahanap ng alternative na hindi kaya ng budget sa Australia, hindi kaya ng budget sa New Zealand, hindi kaya ng budget sa European countries, dito po sa South Korea at least po malaking bagay po 'yon. Pero maganda rin po naman po yung exposure na makukuha niyo at the same time quality education din naman po yung makukuha ninyo sa Wusong University, no? So, ayan, nandiyan naman po ang ating mabutihing Sir Angelo para sa kanyang assistance and guidance po sa atin, ano? So, yan
Sige,
po.
ma'am. Set ko na lang. Sorry. Last na to, ma'am.
Carry lang. Take your time po. So, yan.
Uh,
Para sa
okay.
para sa mga nagbabalak na pumunta ng South Korea, makakita ng mga oppa diyan. Ayan. Ito na ang iyong kasagutan.
Sige, game. Start time,
Sige.
ma'am.
Sige, go, sir.
Sige.
Go.
Let me just quickly share my screen.
Opo, go ahead.
Okay. Let me know if visible na po yung screen ko, ma'am, ha?
Ayan. Starting pa lang po, sir. Ayan, okay na po.
Kita na po.
Yes
Okay.
po, kita na po.
Okay.
Yan.
Ayan. So, good afternoon. Wait lang, ma'am.
Saan?
Okay. So, good afternoon. This will be a quick discussion about Wusong University as a study destination. First and foremost, thank you kay Ma'am Ella for Link Edu for hosting us at least in this discussion. So what we're going to do is gonna go briefly lang siguro 10-15 minutes
Yep.
unless there are other questions. We're gonna tackle it along the way, right?
Yes po.
So for Usong University, I am currently the regional manager for Philippines and Thailand. So I'm gonna be discussing briefly, make a quick comparison. Ma'am, off ko lang yung video, kawit lang.
Sige po.
Bagal lang net ko. So we're gonna make a quick comparison for South Korea and of course other study destinations para mas madali nilang magets kahit papaano.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Go ahead po.
Yeah. Hindi ako makapag ano. Wait lang ma'am ha. Magaming internet ko eh.
Carry lang po, sir. Minsan din na-experience ko yan. Yung mga internet provider kasi talaga natin eh. No?
So, sa Pilipinas.
True. Dito lang yan.
May video. Okay. Yeah.
Ayan.
Alright.
Sige
So,
po.
this is, paano may move to? Okay. So what to expect in this quick discussion? So briefly, ito na yung pinaka-summary, then we will tackle more about it. So in a nutshell, whatever people are looking for in a study destination, for example, traditionally, we're talking about Australia or Canada. Gusto natin yung pathway to migration, work while studying and after studying. Meron din po sa South Korea na work during and after study opportunities. There's also migration programs, tuition payment terms, kompleto rin tayo. So, again, lahat ng meron ng traditional, meron din tayo sa South Korea.
Wow.
I guess the main advantage or the best way to discuss is in terms of surviving via part-time income.
Yep.
Okay? So, in South Korea, it is very, very true na you can survive with your part-time income kasi you cannot do that ng basta-basta kay Australia or Canada if you do the math ng cost of living versus income.
Yep.
South Korea, the discrepancy of income to cost of living is very, very good.
Okay.
Right?
Yep.
And all the programs that we'll be talking here will be all English taught. Although we have Korean track programs, we're not gonna be discussing that. Magfo-focus po tayo sa mga English taught programs para mas madali ang transition ng aplikante. The
Okay
cost
po.
anyway is almost the same lang rin naman. Right?
Alright.
For South Korea as well, you can learn Korean while you're studying at the same time, so you don't necessarily need to learn language kasi English taught nga, pero in preparation for you to transition to the workplace, you learn Hangul on the first year, then after that you transition in the workplace. And with South Korea, I guess the advantage here as well is galante sila magbigay ng scholarship up to 100%. Meron tayong merit-based and meron din tayong admissions scholarship.
Wow, nice po yan. Ganda po.
Yan. So, ngayon, in summary, why people should select South Korea as a study destination. So, in terms of fees, siguro run through lang ako sa bullets. The tuition fees are lower living costs as well. The tuition fee from domestic, international students and domestic, all the same. I guess what's unique as well with South Korea is that there is no regional wage. Kumbaga, ang sweldo mo kahit nasaan ka sa Korea, Jeju, Busan, Gwangju, kung nasaan ka man, pareho lang ng sweldo ng mga taga-Seoul. So that is I would say, a cheat code kung saan pwede kang kumita ng sweldong syudad, pero nakatira ka sa lower living cost na area.
Wow.
So hindi kailangan countryside, hindi kailangan probinsya, regardless where you are, you earn the same income, so you save more. That's the advantage, right?
Right.
Then, in terms of study destination, the working hours again is 20 to 35 hours per week, 20 hours for bachelor's and 35 hours for master's degree.
Okay.
Yes, that's per week. Of course, during holidays and break times, full-time, unlimited working hours naman tayo. Okay?
Alright.
And I guess for this one, what I would like to highlight is this one, the post-study visa of 3 years.
Oh, wow.
So yes, merong PGWP or Graduate Work Stream ang South Korea.
Wow.
Ang tawag dyan is Job Seeking Visa. It's for 3 years.
Right. Wow.
Yes. Fixed siya for 3 years.
Wow.
Then, of course, meron din PR sa South Korea. Contrary to belief na wala raw PR ang Korea, meron pong PR ang Korea. It's the same concept as Canada, 4 to 5 years point system. And I guess what's important with migration program, if you are intending to go PR in South Korea, one of the unique characteristic is you need to select a school na high ranking kasi pag high ranking ang school, mas mataas ang points mo sa PR. So hindi
Wow.
pwedeng basta-basta ka nag-enroll kahit saan. I guess
Opo.
that's what Korea learned versus Canada. Sina
Mm.
Canada, kahit sino before, pwede
Mm.
yan. Ngayon
Yep.
lang sila nag-filter. But for
Mm.
South Korea, it's important na high ranking.
Okay.
Okay?
All right
Then
po.
yun, you learn Korean language. Then, I guess next slide is very important, no?
Yes po.
Yan. Kung sina Canada, Australia is naghihigpit, si South Korea recently is kaka-open lang po niya. So they
Wow.
opened their study 300K plan wherein they're aiming to attract 300,000 international students. Actually, they already exceeded the target. Nasa 300 plus na sila 2026 pa lang, and they expanded it now to 500K until 2029 on top of
Wow.
the number. So,
Wow.
that's why kung mahigpit sina Canada, Australia, si South Korea ngayon is maluwag because they need international students.
Nice. Which is nice.
It is true, yes, ma'am.
Opo.
Then, so that's Korea in
Mm-mm.
summary. Ngayon, if we
Mm-mm.
proceed to the school, which is Usong University, gaya
Mm-mm.
ng binanggit ko po kanina, high ranking is very important if you are intending to migrate in South Korea
Mm-mm.
or to get PR. Ang Usong University currently ranks number 1 under World University Rankings in terms of internationalization. So
Mm-mm.
if you graduate from Usong, your chances of migration is very high. Mas mataas ang points mo. Alright?
Wow.
Then I would say of all the Korean universities I've worked with in the last 5 years, the good thing about South Korea is, in Wusong University specifically, is
Mm.
sanay sila sa international student. So the
Wow.
assistance is very, very strong. So
Wow.
meron silang guidance, student support, employment rate is 90%. They give
Nice.
scholarships up to 30 to 100%. The city is located in Daejeon, which is only like 40 minutes away from Seoul. So
Mm-mm.
they don't need to stay in Seoul kasi malapit lang rin naman siya. So cost of living is very, very affordable.
Mm-mm. Wow.
Yan.
Nice.
Ngayon, for the specific of this one, the courses, it's medyo marami tayong courses. I'm just gonna be highlighting a few programs na in demand currently sa South Korea para yun yung magiging focus ng ating mga aplikante.
Go lang,
Okay.
sir. Yep.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. So ngayon, I'm gonna be briefly discussing 4 specific in-demand courses na mayroong transition to the workforce after graduating. So one of them would be hospitality.
Yep.
Specifically under hospitality, we have bachelor's, master's, and PhD. We'll discuss about hotel management, culinary, and restaurant, and entrepreneurship. Specific highlight here would be culinary kung saan meron tayong paid internship in a Michelin star restaurant known as Sung Simdang. After that, pwede ka rin mag-internship abroad. So kahit saan, pwede ka mag-internship. Right? So magandang
Wow.
transition in the workforce. Ngayon, I
Wow.
guess the difference here with culinary arts is bachelor's degree ka, which is with most destinations, diploma lang ang culinary eh. Ang
Yes.
pinagkaiba nito is tumututok tayo sa pagbibuild ng, I would say, restaurateur, parang next Gordon Ramsay yung habol natin kasi yun ang need ng Korea. They need
Yeah.
business to create jobs in South Korea. So that's
Correct.
an opportunity for you.
Right.
Okay. Then for health and welfare, we will be focused on bachelor's degree in early childhood and K-beauty design or Korea beauty design. So for early
Wow.
childhood, ito yung I would say katumbas naman din ng kaway ka ma'am. Okay. Ayan. So for K-beauty, for health and welfare, ang focus natin is early childhood. Currently, we have 4 students enrolled here and we're looking for 6 more in terms of slots. Pwede pa sila for fall intake.
Okay.
Currently, there's a strong demand for the care sector. So that would be caregiving, early childhood, kung saan once they graduate, we can provide employers at the same time. Okay?
Wow. Sige po.
Yes, then Korean beauty and design, of course, this is famous, hindi lang to sa Korean pop industry, but also Hollywood and also in Europe.
Right. Correct.
Okay? Third course na in demand ngayon is anything related to AI. Pero
Correct.
nilagay ko lang dito is specific for AI in business.
Mm-mm.
Kumbaga, ito yung magiging katumbas natin ng MBA. Instead
Yeah.
of taking the regular business course, pwede sila mag-take ng AI in business, kung
Mm-mm.
saan magkakaroon ng strong assistance pagka-graduate nila kasi Korea is currently within the top 5 of the strong countries pagdating sa AI industry.
Wow.
Okay,
Great.
and lastly, I'd like to highlight as well our iDegree program, which is perfect for students na walang budget pero gusto mag-start ng journey nila to study abroad. Meaning, pwede sila mag-aral online in the Philippines and continue either in South Korea, US, Canada, Europe, or China. Mas makakatipid sila during their first year, and at the same time mas magiging ready sila, malaki ang chance of getting the visa approved, and from there pwede sila makapasok sa countries kung saan nahihirapan sila before.
Wow.
Yan. In a nutshell, ito yung magiging summary ng ilalabas. I guess I'm putting it here to
Mm-mm.
highlight how affordable South Korea is, kung saan
Yep.
you're getting the same benefits in terms of Canada, Australia, but the cost is way lower. So
Wow.
ito lang yung ilalabas nila, expected. Mataas na to without scholarship yet. In Philippine peso, lahat-lahat, they have to pay 315,000 pesos
Mm-hmm.
expected liquid cash. Then comparing this total cost,
Mm-mm.
okay, versus maybe for example Canada,
Mm-mm.
this is not even the tuition deposit for Canada.
Exactly.
Sobrang mura siya, right?
Sir, tanong
Yeah.
ko lang, may show
Sure,
money
ma'am.
din, may show money po bang involved dito? Pag
Mm.
nag-apply sila ng visa for a study program?
Yes, ma'am. Show money is always required, but for
Okay.
Korea, I guess the advantage for at least for 2026, South
Mm-mm.
Korea is only requiring bank certificate. So hindi
Wow.
tayo nangihingi ng bank statement ngayong year. So
Mm-mm.
bank certificate lang ina-ask natin. So that
Wow.
would make it easy for
Okay.
applicant.
Any
Yeah.
specific amount na ni-required for
Yeah,
the
20,000 USD or 1.2 million po.
Okay, at least. Okay, mas
Yeah,
mababa pa rin siya in comparison dun sa ibang mga study program na show money nire-require din
correct.
nila, di ba? Okay,
Correct.
great. Yep.
Yan. So ito lang lalabas natin lahat-lahat. Then deadline
Wow.
natin, of course, we're still open for applications for September. We can extend the acceptance until May 30 for fall intake.
Okay po.
We're still looking for a few more students. Then if ever they sign up with Link Edu, they can get a guaranteed 30% scholarship pag nag-sign up sila
Wow, yay.
immediately. Okay? Ideally
Wow.
within April, pero sige, i-extend natin yan until
Ay,
later on.
thank you po, thank you. Sige po, sir.
Of course. Yan. So, ito lang yung magiging future nila on how it looks like para may idea on how the pathway is. So, this is where they will start degree program or D2 visa. Once they graduate, they get the job seeking. Kung
Mm-mm.
titignan nyo, again, halos pareho lang to ng Canada, Australia, they can still get a PR. But the advantage, in summary, is mas mura, lesser competition, so mas malaki ang chance na ma-hit nila yung target to become a PR in the nearest future.
Right.
Yan siya,
Yes.
ma'am. That is South Korea in a nutshell.
Yay! Thank you, sir, for a very informative session with you. And yeah, we are
Mhm.
um, sobrang thankful kami dahil naipresent po ninyo sa amin ito at sa ating mga possible students no na on a very low I mean on a budgeted ano po for their study
Mhm.
program kasi kadalasan po normally na i-encounter namin na issue is that sobrang taas ng tuition fee na kailangan nilang ilabas, ang daming
Mhm.
ang daming requirement na halos aabot sila ng mga 500 to 600,000 pesos na bago sila makaalis papuntang isang bansa, no? So, and at the same time, mababa din yung show money na nire-require kasi unlike with other, let's say for example sa Canada and Australia, no? 1.7 million. Tapos, kailangan yung amount na yun will sits in their bank account for a certain number of period of months, no? Unlike sa inyo, sabi nyo nga po, sa Wusong University in South
Mhm.
Korea, 1.2 lang, tapos bank statement or bank
Correct, ma'am.
cert lang yung kailangan, no? So, yon malaking advantage yon for those who are interested is still in going to international arena. This is a perfect opportunity for you para at least ma-cope up ninyo yung sa inyong budget, and at the same time sabi nga ni Sir Angelo, no, um, kayang-kaya ninyong suportahan yung sarili ninyo pag nandun na kayo kasi you will still be able to earn money while you are on a student visa, and kaya naman ng cost of living yung kikitain nyo doon. So, walang problema doon. And at the same time, makakaipon pa nga kayo, sabi nga ni Sir Angelo. And
Correct.
still, same opportunity, migration pathway, PR pathway will still be there. And kami naman po sa Link Edu, together with the guidance nila Sir Angelo and his team, kami naman po is nakasupport sa inyo from beginning to the end. So, yun po, no? Maganda pong way yan. Sir, with regards
Yes,
to
ma'am.
the documentations, similar lang naman po ba yung mga documents na hihingin po natin sa mga students natin, no? Aspiring students natin sa South Korea, no? Um,
Yeah.
yeah. Ganon din
Well,
po.
the standard is almost the same.
Okay po.
Nagkakatalo lang siya pagdating sa some of the documents. For example, apostille is necessary for school documents.
Okay.
The masters, of course, apostille ng bachelors before, etc. So, I guess apostille ang pinakamabigat. But other
Mm-mm.
than that, halos pare-pareho na po
Parehas
siya.
lang. Okay po,
Yeah.
okay po. So, when it comes to the visa processing, how long does it take naman po siya, sir?
Currently, with KVAC, it's 20 days.
20 days lang. Alright,
Mm.
great. Magkano naman yung visa application fee nila? Ah,
Visa fee is very low, around 4 plus lang. I know
oh,
Canada's 10, 12K,
oo.
Australia's 80K, ganyan.
Yes, 80K. Yes.
Korea is only 7 or 5K lang. So,
Oh,
hindi
wow.
lalagpas 5K. Kahit
Mm-mm.
iparush mo ng passport delivery yan.
Okay. Good. That's
Mm-mm.
good. Tapos yung ano naman po, in terms of the medical requirements and character, yung sa police clearance. Police clearance or NBI will do, or whichever is required po ba ng South Korea?
We don't need it, but they can definitely submit a supporting documents NBI, though hindi naman siya necessary.
Okay po. Alright, good, good. Hindi na kailangan ng IELTS or PTE, no? Wala na.
Hindi na ba?
Okay,
Pero kapag si
perfect.
student magsasubmit ng IELTS, kung gusto lang niya mag-submit, meron siyang additional discount if ever. But hindi siya
Wow.
required naman MOI lang.
Okay, good, good. At least malaking tipid yun, ha. Ang daming tipid ng mga ating mga estudyante diyan ang gusto pa rin pumunta ng ano ng ibang bansa, no. At least South Korea is one of the destination ngayon dahil sa mga oppa.
True,
Malay,
true. And,
baka nandun na kanilang ano, nandun na ang kanilang light and shining armor. Yan. O, sige.
mm,
Ay, hindi ko na papatagalin. Baka may meeting pa si Sir Angelo, no, or may susunod pa siyang
3
session sa
PM pa
iba.
naman, oo.
Ah, so, thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Whatever na inquiries na ma-generate namin out of this session, no, definitely it will be forwarded to you, and
Of course.
we will definitely work with you. Also, pag may mga questions kami along the way na ibabato sa amin ng mga candidates natin dyan, or student applicants namin, we'll definitely get in touch with you immediately, no, sir,
Okay.
no. Thank you so much
Thank you.
po.
Thank you so much,
Until next
ma'am.
time,
Talk
gawin pa
soon.
ulit natin to.
Okay, sige, sige.
Alright
Salamat,
po.
ma'am.
Have a
Thanks,
good
everyone.
one.
Bye-bye.
Thank you po. Bye-bye po. Ayan, so tapos na ang ating live session with Sir Angelo. Ayan, so para sa ating mga estudyante dyan, no, malaking opportunity pa rin po ito. South Korea is still South Korea. One of the, isa rin po siya sa magandang destination ngayon, no, ng ating mga international student peeps dyan, no? And at the same time, parang nabanggit din po ata ni Sir Angelo with his presentation, no, na pag dun sa mga gustong yung magstimula, no, 1 to 2 years, pwede kayong mag-study online. Mas magandang opportunity yon, mas mapapaganda ano, yung approval rating ninyo in terms of your visa application. So, definitely, it's a good thing. Try to maximize the opportunity. Take a look at the avenue. Send us your resume immediately at info at linkediumigration.com. We will definitely, me and the rest of my team will definitely review your resume accordingly, and then pagkapasok naman po yung inyong requirements, definitely will provide you with the right pathway suggestions and recommendations, and maganda dito sa Wusong University, no, budgeted talaga. So, yung mga nahirapan dahil kulang sa budget in terms of their international pathway programs, let's say sa Australia, hindi kinaya ng budget, sa European countries, hindi rin po kinaya ng budget, kinulang. This would be, one of the entry point that you can take a look at. Start off with South Korea. Anyway, maganda rin naman po ang visa ng South Korea, no? When you get to other countries, then maganda rin po siya. So, try to take a look at this one. Same pathway, may job opportunity then, may migration pathway or PR pathway, so to speak. And at the same time, mabilis din kayo makakaland ng job ninyo dito. So, again, we look forward to receiving your resume. Send us an email, info at linkedumigration.com. Connect with our social media accounts as well, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and then of course our website. You can also visit us on our dito sa ating office. Our office hours is from Monday to Friday, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. You can also book an appointment with us anytime. So, yan po. Thank you everyone and have a great day.